To express what you would do, okay, what you would do, in French we use le conditionnel, the conditional, and it's really simple to master. How do you form the conditional? You simply take the infinitive form of the verb for regular verbs. Let's take the verb manger, for instance, to eat. If I wanted to say I would eat, all I need to do is to add these endings to each personal pronoun. For instance, so we write out our personal pronouns, and then we take the infinitive form of the verb. You don't touch it at all. Add it to the personal pronouns, and now we add the endings. So for je, it's AIS, and it's pronounced E. So I say, je mangerai. Je mangerai. I would eat. But in fast-spoken French, it sounds je mangerai. Je mangerai. Okay? The E there is called le E non prononcé. You don't really pronounce it when you're speaking fast. So if I want to say I would eat, je mangerai. Je mangerai. You would eat, tu mangerais. Tu mangerais. AIS. For the third person plural, il, elle, on is AIT. Mangerait. For nous is IONS. Mangerions. For vous is IEZ. Mangeriez. Mangeriez. Il mangerait. Elle mangerait. And this is how you conjugate regular verbs, okay? Same thing for finir. Finir, I would finish. Je finirais. Tu finirais. And so on. However, there are some irregular verbs, and these are the most important. For example, to say I would like, okay, or I would want. The verb to want is vouloir. And the root for vouloir is this, voudre. And then you add your respective endings. So, for je, I add AIS, and then I say je voudrais. For tu, I add AIS, tu voudrais. For il, elle, on, I add AIT. State pronunciation, voudrais. For nous, I add IONS. Nous voudrions, we would like. For vous, I add IZ, vous voudriez. Il voudrait. Il voudrait, elle voudrait. Let's take the verb aimer, to like. To say I would like, take the verb aimer, don't touch it, just add the endings. So I say j'aimerais, tu aimerais, il aimerait, nous aimerions, vous aimeriez, ils aimeraient, elles aimeraient. As simple as that. For the verb pouvoir, pouvoir is the verb to be able to, or can. Okay? Can in the conditional will be could. This is its roots, and then you just add the endings. So if I wanted to say I could eat outside, I could say je pourrais. Je pourrais manger dehors. Je pourrais manger dehors. I could call you. Je pourrais t'appeler. If you want to ask someone if they could come next week, vous pourriez venir la semaine prochaine. Vous pourriez venir la semaine prochaine. Could you come next week? Now for the verb avoir, it is AUR. That's its root. And then you add your respective ending. So I could say j'aurais, I would have. Tu aurais, you would have. Il aurait, he would have. But the one we often use is because we use it in polite situations. So if I wanted to ask if you add a time on you, I could say, vous auriez l'heure, s'il vous plaît. Vous auriez l'heure, s'il vous plaît. Would you have the time? What time is it, please? That's a polite way to ask, what time is it? Vous auriez. Same thing, vous pourriez. Could you? Vous pourriez m'indiquer le chemin? Could you tell me the way, please? Okay. Vous voudriez? Would you like? And so on. So if you find yourself in a French restaurant, to be polite, you use the conditional. Je voudrais, I would like. Je voudrais un thé. I would like a tea. Je voudrais 2 cafés, s'il vous plaît.